Well, now that the air's on fire from Canada, eh? Don't think I'll need that. No camping tonight. It's about time to hunker down. Let's see if I stand up. Will it follow me? What? This new DJI gimbal is sweet, boy. Look at that. Okay. Sorry, I'm geeking out. This DJI gimbal apparently will follow you wherever you go. This is an exciting video, huh? Anyways, I can't go camping this weekend because the rain and also the Canadien wildfires are destroying the air quality, so I'm not going to be able to do that either. Instead, what I figured I'd do is unbox some of my new equipment that I got in for the channel. I've got the Insta360 X3, the Rode Wireless Go 2, and I got a crap ton of accessories that I'm going to go through. So I hope you enjoy this. If you do, make sure to leave a like, comment, and hit that subscribe button, y'all. And I'll get right into it. Whoosh! I'm never going to financially recover from this. Ooh. Ooh. I'm going to be doing that for the next 3 hours. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're still hanging out, click that like button, hit the subscribe button. I'm going to be putting some more content out. Really can't wait to use this Insta360. I've got some cool ideas for it, especially out at the land. I'm going to have a good time with that. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for next week's video. With that, I'm out. Have a good night. Oh, I didn't like that. You can't see me. Watching the video, I'm not going to put a super one.